Is this simply a negotiation that Kansas City Chiefs is doing to try to get a better deal out of Kansas City?
So it's not final that the Kansas City Chiefs are definitely moving to Kansas, but it's pretty much set in stone at this point. The NFL owners still do need to approve the deal, but ultimately Kansas came up with more money than Missouri and Kansas City, Missouri were willing to offer. So the team did successfully play both cities against each other. Also, the Kansas City Chiefs did make an earnest effort to stay in Kansas City. Last April, voters there rejected a sales tax increase that would have funded renovations to Arrowhead Stadium, which the Chiefs have been playing at for about 50 years now. And a lot of fans in Kansas City are upset that they're going to be saying goodbye to that historic venue.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, they have a pretty loyal fan base there. So tell us a little bit more about this public financing package that lawmakers in Kansas approved to build this new $3 billion stadium.
So lawmakers in Kansas are proposing that they're going to set up a taxing district, and then sales tax revenue from that district that will surround the new stadium will back bonds that they'll sell to fund the project. Ultimately, they'll end up covering the state will end up covering about 60% of the stadium. And that's pretty high. The Jacksonville Jaguars recently got about 55% of the total of their stadium renovation costs covered by the public in Florida and Jacksonville, but it's a pretty big deal that they were able to get this much from the public.
Yeah, absolutely, the majority. And in terms of timeline, what are we looking at here? Because I believe the Chiefs have their lease at Arrowhead Stadium for another couple years.
So yesterday, Governor Laura Kelly of Kansas and Clark Hunt, the owner of the Chiefs, were holding up a Chiefs jersey that had the number 31 on the back of it because they intend to start playing at the new facility in 2031.